The topic of today's video is how to withdraw money from Coinbase Wallet to Binance. Alright, so here we are on Binance, and what we want to do is move to the Assets tab on the bottom right. Now here in Assets, it might open up the exchange. You want to be on the wallet and then click on Receive. Then you want to say Receive tokens via address. And then you can choose your specific token that you are looking to receive. From there, it's going to give you a QR code and a wallet address. You can either scan the QR code or you can just copy that wallet address, which is what we're going to do here. Then we're going to jump over to Coinbase. So in Coinbase, we want to click on the pie chart on the bottom tab here. We're going to click on Transfer. Then we'll click on Send Crypto. In here, we are going to paste our wallet address. Unfortunately, it doesn't allow recording in this section. We'll just paste that. And then on this screen, it'll ask you what asset you want to send. You will select the token you selected from Binance. And it's going to ask you how much. You'll put in your amount. Then it's going to show you the fees. You'll click Transfer. It'll give you a review after that. And then you will complete your transaction. And that's all there is to it, guys. Please do keep in mind that this is in no way any type of financial advice. You are liable for any losses on your part. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.